So here we are again, and this time we're going to graph this particular ellipse just straight from the vertices and the foci. So here we go. Vertices are going to be at 5, 0 and negative 5, 0. So I'm going to go there first. Negative 5, 0, again, that's going to be a vertex or a vertice. We'll call it a vertex. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Again, another vertex. Together they are vertices. And then we'll plot our foci. 3, 0. I'm going to change color just because I feel like it. Over 3, 0. That's going to be our foci. And here's another one, negative 3, 0. So, I know now that my center is located where? You guessed it. It's right smack dab in the middle. So I already know that from our standard form of the equation, that if I was going to develop this equation, it would be x squared, and I know there'd be a plus, and I know there'd be a y squared. So, and I know it has to be set equal to 1, so there's only a couple things left to do. I need to know I can see the distance between the center to the vertex, right? That is going to be a total of 5. And I also see the distance from the foci to the center, which is, do you see that? 1, 2, 3. And the only equation I had was this. C squared is equal to b squared minus a squared. So I know that I'm looking at I do actually have C from center to foci. And so I'm going to substitute that into this equation. And I see 3 squared, which is actually 9, is equal to. And I know that my vertex must be coming first in order to be able to subtract from it because it's my major axis. And that is going to be 5 squared. So, and 5 squared is 25 minus a squared. So, I am now, and there's a couple moves I'm going to make because I want to keep things positive. I'm actually going to bring the a squared to this side by adding to both sides is equal to, and I'm going to move that 9 because I want to keep things positive if at all possible. So, now 25 minus 9 is going to give us 16, and when we take the square root of that, we know that a is going to be equal to 4. Then and only then can I actually identify my covertices. So I'll do that now. Going up and back 4, I'm going to do that in a different color and label them. Let's try this color here. I think it'll show up. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's going to be one of my covertices, or covert, and that's going to be at 0, 4, and I'll count the other direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's my other one. It's located at 0, negative 4. And now, les voilà, I can sketch in this whole ellipse. Well, maybe you did a better job.